everyone, welcome back to Creatively Crafted Life. This is Melanie, and this is going to be the introduction for a number of videos as I go through my recent purchases, which I alluded to or talked about in my spending freeze video. If you haven't seen that yet, I will try and link it above. Basically telling you what my plan is for the summer. So I dismantled a bunch of paper pads. These are just some of them. I've turned some into kits. Some have ended up in my stash, and basically this is going to be me going through the paper pads, showing you what page kits I came up with because some people have requested it. Rather than put them all into one large video, I think it'd be a bit much. I'm going to try and do basically one pad per video. Unless there's not much to show, then I may combine a couple. So without further ado, let's get into this. Okay, let's talk the Color Fresh pad. All of these are just going in my stash. I struggled trying to make paper kits, or page kits out of these. So this is what I did put together. I'll quickly show you those. So this map I combined with this green stripe as well as this large stripe. I think that works. Next one, I took this multicolored stripe as well as the multicolored starbursts, the yellow, as well as the green grid. For this one, I took the cut apart, the numbers, this pink, as well as this darker pinky purple color. That will be that kit. I took the second map and I combined that with the pink and red dot and then the red and pink paper. So that is it for page kits from this one. Like I said, the rest of the pages will end up in my stash. Okay, so my desk is cleared for today. Stay tuned for the next video. I'm going through another paper pad or some of the other supplies that I bought, and until next time, happy crafting and happy organizing.